Hey guys, it's Sharmise Idris from Charmed Bath & Body, and today I'm bringing you a super simple DIY, and that's nail polish. So before we get started, I do want to show you the ones that I've already made. So the green one was actually the first one I made, and it turned out perfectly fine. It's actually my favorite. So let me tell you where I got these micas from, because I'm actually just trying to get rid of micas, so they came from different places. So that one is a soft green, and then the next one, oh, that's from TKB Trading, and then the next one is rose gold from Soap Beautiful, and I found them on Amazon a couple years ago. I'll tag everything down below if it's still available. The next one is Cambridge Blue from Black Diamond on Amazon as well, and then Titanic Silver from TKB Trading. And as you can see from the nails, they actually turned out pretty nicely. They're all 2 coats, so the blue could have used probably another coat, but I like the way they all turned out. But let's go ahead and get into this tutorial. So the items you'll need for this DIY is first the nail polish glamour base from TKB Trading. It didn't actually come with this top. It came with a screw off top, but it was much easier to get into the little nail polish bottles with this little squeezy part. And then of course you'll need nail polish bottles. These are 5 milliliter bottles I got from Amazon, and it came with the beads to go inside. So you just need a bead for each one, but if you are using the bigger bottles, I would say probably use 2 for each. But these came together, and I'll tag everything down in the description below. You don't actually need this, but I like to use them because I don't like to paint on my own nails, because sometimes I already have nail polish on. So I use these. I got these nifty little measurements from TKB Trading. It's smidgen, pinch, and dash. I really mostly just use pinch unless I'm using 2 colors. I use the smidgen for this size bottle anyway. A funnel to get it into the bottle, and then micas. So this mica came from Brambleberry. It's the lavender mica, and like I said, all of these things are a little bit older, so that's why you can't see that on there. And then I'm going to use this blissful blue green. I just like the way it shimmers, and I'm going to use it with titanium dioxide because I want a whitish nail polish. And then also, if you're going to make more than 1 bottle with the same color, I would recommend using like little disposable caps or cups. So this one is like a medical one, but you can just get regular, styrofoam cups, plastic cups and all that. But today we're just going to pour it straight into the bottle. So I'm going to make my white one first. I'm just going to take it off. I'm going to add a smidgen of titanium dioxide. Make sure you put that funnel on. And then I'm going to add the blissful blue green from Black Diamond on Amazon. And that's going to be a smidgen as well. And if I see that it's, too thin to where I would have to put more than 2 coats, I'll add just a little bit more mica or pigment. And make sure that all of your micas are nail safe. Alright, so it's in the bottle there. I'm going to add a ball. And of course the balls are good for mixing. And then I'm just going to squeeze this into the bottle until it gets up to the shoulder, because you have to still leave space for the brush. And then put your brush in and mix it up. Now if you can still see like the powder on the side, because I still see just a little bit, then you need to continue shaking it up. You want it fully incorporated. Alright, I think I stirred it up well enough, so I'm going to try it on one of these nails. And I know whites are thin a lot of times, so I may need to add more. Or maybe not. That's just the first coat. So I think it'll be good with 2. So I'm gonna let that dry and then apply a second coat. I don't know if you can see that very well, but it went on nice and it's a little shimmery as well. So while that's drying, let's go ahead and try this lavender mica from Brambleberry out. So I can already tell that this lavender mica is gonna come out darker than I would like, and I would mix it with the titanium dioxide, but I noticed on this nail it didn't quite combine to make a smooth mixture, and maybe because I needed to mix it more. I'm just gonna mix the lavender and then a little bit of this blissful blue green, and we'll see how that turns out. And I'm gonna do a smidgen of both because I want a very light lavender. Okay, let's see how this turns out. So I actually like how this one turned out. Let me see what it looks like on the nail. Oh, it's very light though. Oh, there it is. All right, let's go back and put a second coat on this other nail. That actually worked out very well. It's a nice solid white. There's something on there, but yeah, there's a nice solid white, and it's nice and shimmery, and you can see that little bit of blue green on there and the little glitter. Okay. I'm gonna let that dry because I'm very impatient and I will mess it up. So I'm just gonna let it dry. All right, let's go ahead and put that second coat on. Oh, that is beautiful. That might be my second favorite after the soft green. So it is a little more transparent, but it's nice and solid when you put the 2 coats on there. So I could have used just a little bit more mica, but I think that'll look good on my nail. All right, so that is it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in. Please like, subscribe, and hit that bell for notifications. Bye.